Good morning, everyone. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. I'm your licensed realtor here in Florida, primarily selling the villages. And I have another home tour for you. This is a listing that I'm putting on tomorrow, which is Christmas Eve. I'm at 4430 Del Bagno. And this is a 3-bed, 2-bath, ALDER model, 2-car and a car garage, block and stucco. $399. I will list all the information about the home in the notes, so you'll see a bar passed across the bottom, and my phone number is always listed up here. And before we get started, again, let's talk about the reason for the season. Merry Christmas, everyone. It is December 22nd or 23rd. What is today? 23rd. Yeah. All right, let's go in and take a look around. All right, so it does have this lanai in the front. Put a couple chairs. I've seen people screen this in, but let's take a look around the inside. Living room, kitchen, dining room, all one. The flooring is the rolled vinyl. And their carpet in the bedrooms. Now, you hear me talk about this model. This homeowner put the sofa and everything on this wall, and he's chosen to put the TV over here by the front door because the door is solid. And this is high volume knockdown ceiling because we are south of 44, natural gas, tankless hot water. And this model has the Florida room enclosed at level, so it's included in the square footage of the home. The cabinets, we'll get over here into the kitchen, are gray. Stainless steel appliances, stainless steel sink. These are all GE appliances. This was purchased new. We do have some molding up above. Where's my finger? You can see that there. And there are outlets. I am vertically challenged, so you can't see that, but I can see the top of an outlet above the refrigerator, above the boom box. And so you can put some lighting up there if you chose to do so. Swing around here so you get a... But this does have an interior laundry. The air handler is in the garage, which is nice. So I'm gonna open up. Have slide outs, and the doors are soft closure. Let's take a look in there too. So you do have, I'm actually getting those put in my home. All right, so again, you come in the front door, we have the living room, kitchen, dining room, through that hallway, which will go in after I take you into the primary suite. Those are 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. This does have a pantry closet in the kitchen. Now, the ceiling in the primary bedroom is low. It's a king-size bed, 2 dressers. And the walls are black. The owner of this travels quite often, so this is like a pit stop. So he really hasn't done much as far as painting and everything goes, but it's clean. 2 closets on either side. And you have the dual sink. There I am. Oh, by the way, it's cold today, so I have my my vest on. I know you're all cold wherever you are, but probably we're not as cold as you are. Separate water closet, pocket door. A lot of storage here in the vanity. And then the shower, which is tile. And the tile is like a beige color. I know, it could be gray for all I know. Right now, the way the sun's hitting it, and you can't see in the camera, it looks different, but this is like a beige kind of gray. And you do have that window in there, brings in some natural light. It's frosted, so you don't have to worry about anyone jumping up and looking in. All right, tell me in the comments below what do you think about this rolled vinyl? It looks like LVP. I had this in my home before I changed it, but I'm curious of your opinion on LVP compared to this rolled vinyl. I know this is basic, but you know, it does the job. If you have a home that has it, tell me your experience. I'm interested to hear about it. So this does have an accent wall here. That's kind of like a sage green. So we did paint this. I actually like that color. If you're familiar with Panera, I love their color scheme. The Provençal, it's like orange and purple. I love purple. This is bedroom, whatever you want to call it, 2 or 3. This is the bedroom in the rear of the home. Obviously, it could be bedroom, could be an office, and it does have a closet. If you also have any questions, you can put them in the comments below, text me, call me, email me. I'm here to be a resource for you when it comes to the buying process here in the Villages, Florida. You really want an expert on your side that's been in a lot of homes and secured a lot of transactions, because, you know, we have seen a lot and can help you get the best deal possible. So that's tub and tile combo, linen closet in the hallway. This does, I'll show you again, this does have a pocket door. This home is not sold turnkey. The seller is taking everything with him. He's moving back north. And closet. This is a very bright room. This window here in the front is really large, and wait till you see, I'll tell you, I want that tree. That's a Bougainvillea. I gotta take you outside, so pretty. My photographer's here taking photos. And if you're watching this, in addition to this home this week, I have a 3-3 down in Dabney on the preserve with room for a pool. Stay tuned for that. That's a looker. All right, so again, you have the pocket door here. And while you're going through the video, I'm going to run through the bottom, all of the different homes that I have listed. I have probably 9, going to be 10 of them. There's got to be something out there that someone wants. And I know homes are sitting, but homes are moving, and we're getting more buyers are coming back into the market. I've spoken with a couple realtors, and they say the same thing. The buyers are starting to come back, which is awesome for buyers and sellers. So now this is the Florida room. It's enclosed at level under air, so it's part of the square footage of the home. You have a nice big bright window. This could be an office, could be a craft room. You know, you can get creative. If you wanted to close this off, you could put French doors in there. You could put a barn door. They make them glass. I have bifold barn doors. You could do that just to make it a little bit private. If, say, there's husband and wife, or 2 people live in the home and one's working, to kind of just block off the sound. But in addition, we also have an outdoor screened-in lanai. And then there's a piece of concrete pad there that you could put your grill on. But out here, you know, obviously if you did some landscaping, you could make this very attractive backyard. All right, so the kitchen's behind me. We're gonna go out to the garage. This is the laundry room, has utility sink, Maytag washer dryer. You can see I didn't take the blue tube off. And this has a wire rack up here, but you know, you can put some shelving in here and get creative with the space. All right, here we go. 2-car and a golf cart garage. So he has bike, what is this, Jeep-ish, type of car. You definitely get 2 cars in here, no problem. You can see, back up. So you have a lot of space. Under 400,000, this is listed at $399. The bond information's listed below. So he's done some landscaping out here, and he also has a system on the irrigation that'll clean it out so it doesn't get gunked up. You just have to clean it out like once every month or so. But definitely has a really nice curb appeal. This is it. I love this. Look at that. Those colors are stunning. And in this neighborhood, before I walk around, I think it's really cool. They all have the white tree out in their front yard decorated. You can see down here. It's a little gloomy. It's cold for Florida. It's a big side yard. There is a little bit of a hum from the turnpike, but it's not anything that's disruptive. It's kind of like moms out there. When your kid yells the third mommy, you stop hearing it. I think that's what happened with the turnpike. And this is the property line here. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this episode. This is my favorite tree right there. If you would like to make an offer he can't refuse, call me. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, Ottawa model, 2-car and a car garage, block and stucco. Don't miss out on it. I'm Robyn Cavallaro. Everyone have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.